So last week we talked about cellular respiration, the process of taking this glucose molecule, splitting it in half, and going through all these processes that we had in the mitochondria so that we can produce ATP. This week we are going to talk about how do we build that glucose molecule so that we can do cellular respiration. And we're going to see some important things crop up again. We're going to see an electron transport chain. We're going to see our friend ATP synthase, where we have this energy flow through ecosystems, right? And every time that we increase a trophic level, so we go from being a producer to a herbivore and then to a carnivore, we're losing 90% of those calories as heat, and only 10% is being passed on through these different trophic levels. So in order to do that, we need to have a big, large base of primary producers. Primary producers are things like plants, some protists, especially algae. Some types of bacteria are autotrophic. An autotroph is any kind of organism that can create their own food, that are going to do this process of fixing carbon from an inorganic source, carbon dioxide, right, in that gaseous form, and they're going to fix it or change it to a solid form, usually in the form of glucose. Okay, again, these are going to be our plants, algae, cyanobacteria, and things like that. Us heterotrophs are not able to produce our own glucose molecules. We have to eat other organisms in order to gain energy. So hetero means other, troph means to eat. Heterotrophs are organisms that eat other organisms. So these are all animals, all fungi, some protists, and lots of species of bacteria are also heterotrophic.